Welcome to Planter Garden TV. How you guys doing? I'm just showing you guys things that you can put back in the earth and create great manure for your vegetables, for your fruit trees, whatever. These are sweet potato, these are pumpkin, and these are like potato, old potato I'm putting back. These are edibles. So all these skins, you see this? I'm gonna just bury this in my garden, and this gonna create great compost. This will give you one of the best compost you could ever have. One of the best. You could put stuff like these on your grass, bushes in your garden, and it will break down the dry grass. Peace and love.